In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project cost estimate in QuickBooks Online. We'll move through this process step by step so you can quickly build a clear, professional estimate that's linked to your project. An estimate helps you outline expected costs for materials and services, so your team and stakeholders understand the scope and budget before work begins. First, head to the Projects section on the left panel of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. The Projects workspace is where you can see each project's financials in one place, including costs, invoices, and estimates. Make sure you're viewing the project you want to work on so the estimate is attached to the right job. Look toward the top right corner of the project screen and click the small caret icon. This is the drop-down arrow that reveals additional actions available for your project. It's easy to miss, so hover your mouse near the top right if you don't see it immediately. From the drop-down, choose Project Estimate. QuickBooks will open a new estimate form already linked to your selected project. This ensures any items you add here roll up into the project's financial view, keeping your budget tracking organized and accurate. Now add the products and services for the project estimate. Use the Products and Services column to select items you already have set up in your account, such as materials, labor, equipment, or subcontracted work. For each line, enter a clear description, the quantity you expect to use, and the rate. QuickBooks will calculate the amount for you. If you use categories, keep similar items grouped to make the estimate easy to read. Be as specific as possible so there's no confusion later. Details like unit measurements, phases of work, or model numbers can save time and prevent misunderstandings. If your items are taxable, ensure the tax settings on each line reflect your local requirements. You can also add an internal note in the description to remind yourself of assumptions, like delivery timing or scope boundaries. Take a moment to review the subtotal and any taxes calculated at the bottom, and confirm the estimate date matches your planning timeline. When everything looks right, click Save. QuickBooks will store the estimate with the project so you can revisit it, update quantities or rates as plans change, and keep stakeholders aligned. That's all it takes. You've created a project cost estimate in QuickBooks Online, and your project now has a clear financial snapshot you can build on as the work progresses.